Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Trash to Teach. Understanding HTML colors. In HTML, colors are used to style and enhance the appearance of web pages. They can be applied to text, backgrounds, borders, and other elements to make websites visually appealing. We can define colors using color names, HEX codes, RGB and RGBA, and HSL and HSLA colors. The first one is color by name. In HTML, you can apply colors to elements by using color names. This method is the simplest way to add color. Second one is HEX codes. Hex codes are a way to represent colors in HTML using hexadecimal base 16 values. This method provides precise control over colors, allowing you to create millions of shades. Third is RGB and RGBA values. RGB and RGBA are methods to define colors by specifying the intensity of red, green, and blue light. Fourth is HSL and HSLA values. HSL stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. It provides a more intuitive way to pick colors compared to RGB. HSLA adds an alpha channel for transparency. Last is gradients. It can create smooth transitions between colors. Gradients create smooth transitions between two or more colors, giving a stylish and modern look to websites. They can be applied to backgrounds, buttons, and text. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.